Fake watch FK036. Operation instructions. Time debugging. Standard time display. Press button B for 2 seconds to enter the debug mode. Press button C to increase, press button D to reduce. Press B to switch to seconds, minutes, hours. 12 divide into 24 hours. Month, day, year. Without operation for 1 minute to quit. Alarm clock adjustment. Standard time display. Press button B to enter alarm mode. Turn the alarm on and off. Press button C to select. Press button B to confirm. Long press button B for 2 seconds to switch hours minute. Press button C to increase. Press button D to reduce. Press button B to confirm exit.